Hi everybody, this is me, Snorlax, in another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to make a zombie shooter game. So the first thing you guys want to do is delete the sprite since you don't need it. You're going to come over here and we're going to do paint a new sprite and we're going to name him player. Now we're going to come over here and we're going to make the outline a little bit bigger and we're going to do this. We're going to make a little circle and align it to the middle of the map. And we're going to make him a nice little white. We're going to make his little thing a little bit more. Okay. Next step we're going to do is we're going to bring little lines like this. Start from here. Like this. We're going to pull up the gun. And we're also going to match it for this. We're going to give the gun to him. To make it look like this. Okay, so for the code, let's start. So we're gonna do when green flag clicked, forever, if then key where's A? If key A pressed, then change X by 8. So if we put this in here, and then if we click green flag, it goes the wrong way. So we're gonna duplicate. I'm gonna duplicate this entire thing. Put this here. We're gonna do key D. We're gonna do key D, and now if we press it, it's gonna go that way. So then for this, we're gonna do -10, -10, which now allows us to do this. Then we're gonna take this entire code and duplicate it, and take out this, and do key W and S. W, and then we do. Now instead of change X, we do change Y. Duplicate that. So we're gonna do change Y by -10 here. And now bring this in here. Perfect. And we're also gonna bring a point towards mouse pointer. So now we have this guy right here doing this. But now we have to actually make him shoot bullets. So we're gonna click on create sprite and we're gonna name him bullet. We're gonna bring this and magnify it a bit closer. Do a little circle, giving him an outline of 2. Take this, put it in there, and we're also gonna change his color to maybe yellow. Yeah, we're gonna color him yellow. And then we're gonna go to our code. No, I think we have to go to, yeah. So we're gonna do when green flag clicked, if mouse down, then create clone of bullet. Create clone of bullet. No, it doesn't really do anything because we don't have a code for the bullet. So we're gonna go to bullet. Once we're on bullet, we are going to do when I start as a clone, we're gonna do looks, and we're gonna do show. Now the reason why this is because we're gonna bring a when green flag clicked, we're gonna bring a hide like this. So now it's gone. We're gonna do when I start as a clone show, and then we're gonna do go to player. We're gonna do go to player. Then we're gonna do point in direction. Where's point in direction? Okay, but we're gonna need to do this. We're gonna need to bring this thing, and we're gonna have to do player direction, and then I think we have to get point. Yeah, point in direction of player, and we're gonna do move 15 steps for the speed. Then we're gonna do repeat. Oh no, not repeat. We're gonna do repeat until touching edge. Then we're also going to do move tense. Move your. We're just gonna bring move 15 steps. So see if you guys can see. If I click this, it does that. Okay, and then if touching edge, delete this clone. I think. Okay, so I think we have to put this right here. Let's try it out. Yeah. Let's go. Now, I don't really want this machine gun type. So, what we're going to have to do is write in this code, we're going to do wait 0.3 seconds. So now we have 3 seconds to react. So by now you will have noticed that we have about 2 things: our player's sprite, and we also have our bullet sprite. But how can we play a zombie shooter game if we can't have zombies? So we need to add the zombies next. So let's name him let's name him Zombie. And for the zombie sprite, we're gonna do something somewhat like the player, but we're gonna have to make him a tiny bit smaller. Let's just make him a bit bigger. Let's also bring the outline to become more like the players, and let's give him a greenish color. There. Take the thing and do this. Ta-ta. We're gonna go to code. So we're gonna do when green flag clicked, create clone of myself, and then we're gonna do hide. Okay. When we do hide, we're gonna do forever loop, do create clone of myself, and then we're gonna do a solid wait 1 second. But it doesn't spawn yet because we still haven't had it properly. Then we gotta do a when I start as a clone, we're gonna do to the far right of the corner, we're gonna do go to x240. Oh, we're going to do x240 and y0. After that, we're going to do repeat, repeat, repeat until touching bullet. Repeat until touching bullet. We're also going to do move 10 steps. Where's move 10 steps? Move. I'm going to do is like 4 steps. Move 4 steps, and we're going to do point towards player. And after that, if touching the bullet, we're going to do delete this clone. We'll start. He doesn't properly show up. Now, there's probably is a reason for this. And if we go over to the zombie, we can see that there is practically no reason why he won't spawn. Except, I think I might know why. So yeah, this code works properly, but it's just the zombie code that won't do it. Oh, I get it. Instead of doing that, we're going to do when I start as a clone, we just do show. Yes, there. And now, guys, that is how you make a zombie game. Bow. But we're going to do one final little step. We're going to go over to backdrops. Come over. Convert to bitmap. Come here. Go to a little bit of yellow. And we're going to make something called dead grass. Paint it in and boom. That is how you guys make a zombie shooter game. See you guys in the next one. Bye.